Oh, whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Perfect. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jamesy Jack here, bringing you guys another episode of Teardown. Today, we're in the map called Tanks of the Soviet Union. I almost said Union. So, we have Felix, my dog, behind me once again. Hi, buddy. Hi, Felix. Let's pet you and make you happy. Happy doggy. So, and as you notice, Beans is not here. That is because I decided to give Beans back to Fudgy. But I did have a lot of fun with Beans. And so, because I miss Beans, I got this new guy. His name is Waffles, and he is kind of stupid, you know. Waffles? Waffles? Wait, this happened to Beans too. What is wrong with these little? Would it help if we what's this cute little thing? Maybe if we like shot him with a tank? I don't think that helped. Maybe we need a bigger tank? Maybe an artillery truck, maybe? Is that a good idea? But anyways, let's see here. Maybe we can fire at Waffles. Oh, whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness! What the heck? Whoa! Oh my gosh! Ah! Guys, I think I've just unleashed an apocalypse. Okay, maybe we should get in the KV too. Okay, maybe this'll cure Waffles. Maybe this'll wake him up. Waffles, wake up, buddy, and Felix, get out of the way. Waffles? Whoa, Felix, why are you smashing your butt up against my tank? Wait, where did Waffles go? Oh, there he is. Hi, Waffles. So, let's see here. Oh, I just ran over Waffles! Waffles? Okay, why isn't he coming out from under the tank? Oh, there he is. Hi, Waffles. You know, I think it's about time we get him to the hospital. I better get on the phone with the rescue team. So, I think we should just kind of, maybe we should just forget this ever happened and blow up the tank. Ah! Okay, there it ran. Oh, well. We totally have an apocalypse going on. Okay, so I tried to call the paramedics, but they wouldn't respond to me because of reasons that we don't talk about. I decided to steal an ambulance for myself so we could bring Waffles to the hospital. Okay, we're almost there. All right, Waffles, we'll get you better, buddy. Perfect. Now let's just turn the siren off. And let's just get Waffles out of the ambulance. Okay. Oops. Alright, Waffles. We'll get you feeling better, okay, buddy? Let's just... There we go. Perfect. Now I'm just going to, yeah, this is fine. Waffles. Ugh. Yeah, I'm just gonna chuck him over here. Everything is fine. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna tell the doctors to go get Waffles. Okay, so I'm on my way to get Waffles. Oh, and don't ask why I'm driving an MRAP, because I have my reasons. Wait a minute. Do you guys smell that? Wait a minute. Is that fire? Uh-oh. Waffles? Uh-oh. Firefighters, do you have any idea what's going on here? Felix? Stay right now. You're just gonna sit on the bumper. You just go help Waffles. Go find him or something. Just go over there and put out the fire. You two, what are you doing just standing there? Go and, just go and help them. Go and help Waffles, for goodness sakes. What's going on? I'm scared. Waffles is, whoops. Sorry about that, firefighter. He's dead. Okay, then it's fine. I don't care that he's dead. I care about Waffles. Okay, let's see here. Let's see. Let's just blow a hole in the building. Waffles, buddy. Oh great, there goes the firefighter's alarm. Let's see. Waffles, where are you, buddy? I know I left you in here somewhere. Maybe we should use the firefighter to put out the fire. Oh, come on. It's so smoky in here. Come on, come on, come on. You know, I'm totally not gonna cheat and use clear all fires. Okay, we need to find Waffles. Waffles, there you are. Wait a minute. Waffles? You're all crispy looking, what the heck? Wait, the doctors haven't even fixed you yet. So, well, hold on. Okay, so let's talk to the fire marshal. Okay, the fire marshal says that the fire was caused by a little yellow robot. Wait a minute. I think he means Waffles. Ah! How dare you! How dare you! Oops. Well, I'm just gonna get these firefighters out of here. Okay, where'd Waffles go? Waffles, where is he? Oh, there he is. He's all crispy fried like a chicken nugget. Let's see here. I'm just going to, chuck him on the top of this fire truck and, here, let's rope him over. Let's rope him onto the fire truck. There we go. Oh, you can extend the ladder and raise it and stuff. How cool! Okay, I had no idea that could do stuff. Okay, Felix, let's get you off the MRAP and let's forget this ever happened, okay? I'm just going to, where's my rope? Where's my rope? Okay, cable, let's just, you know, do that, okay? And we're going to drop you and let's just get out of here. Okay, so, Felix, you're loose! Oh boy. Felix, buddy, wait a minute. Felix, watch out! I lost control. Oh, ouch. That might not have been good. Wait a minute, what's that? Oh! Felix, you okay? Waffles? Waffles is still, passed out, I think. Felix? Okay, he's okay. Ah! What was that? Okay, okay, I think we ought to get them out of here. Waffles, come on, Waffles. We don't have time for games. Just gonna rip him off with the physics gun. Ugh. Come on. Come on, Waffles. Ugh. Oh, poor Waffles. You know what? We're just gonna leave Waffles and just... Okay, there we go. Well, that was fun. So we might as well just kind of, you know, clear the building of the evidence, we might as well destroy all the evidence by using a cinematic bomb. Ooh, this thing is so unstable. There we go. No big deal. Okay. This should destroy all the evidence. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, my frame rate is terrible. My computer is probably screaming at me. Whoa. Okay, I think my computer is crying. Oh boy, what have I done? I think I have done something very, very, very bad. Oh! Now I see why my frame rate is so bad. Do you guys see the building anymore? That is why my frame rate is so low. Okay. We should probably get the heck out of here. Yep, the whole building is falling. Look at that. Okay, I'm out of here. I'll see you guys in the next episode. I will see you guys in the next episode. Oh yeah, and the fire alarm's going off. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next episode, and hopefully we won't be wanted criminals. Okay, goodbye everyone! Bye!